Hi guys, welcome to our channel. For those of you who don't know who we are, my name's Twyla, this is my husband David, and we thought today we'd take you on a tour of what we call home when we're on the road. We travel in a 2022 Rockwood Mini Lite 2516S. Let's go inside and take a look.
We thought we'd first start by showing you how the trailer is set up when we travel. We have all the slides in, so you can kind of see the amount of room we have in here. We have access to the double sink while it's in travel mode. We have access to the stove in travel mode and even the refrigerator. And then we move over here and you can get by this couch and you can get back here to the bathroom. And actually there's plenty of room back here. You can get to the toilet. There's also a back door entrance, which we'll show you here in just a moment. The bathroom here is very accessible. You can come through like you just did the back door, or you can come and slide through here. And when it comes to the bed, it's really not usable for an adult to sleep on here when the slide's in. It's not recommended to sleep on any of the beds when the slide's in, but we do store some stuff on here. But that's how it is with all the slides in and in travel mode.
Let's start with the kitchen. Up here we have a microwave oven, and we've got a 3-burner gas stove along with the gas oven. And below that we have a drawer that we keep some pots and pans in. And then up here we've got some storage for dishes, glasses, that kind of thing up here. Then we come down, we've got a sink, we've got a nice pull-out sprayer here, nice stainless steel sink. Here we've got more storage. This goes all the way to the back, so we've got tons of storage in here. Then we come over here and we've got 4 drawers that we can keep dishes and towels and stuff in. And here we've got a pantry area and another pantry here. And then over on this side, we have more pantry. And then we come to the refrigerator. And this is the 12-volt refrigerator. It runs off of our batteries. And this is the freezer. And this is the refrigerator. And then we have a recliner couch that actually has a center console that has 2 USB ports and a 110 port there for charging. And then we've got a recliner here. It's pretty comfortable. And this is where we keep our garbage can. And here's our entertainment center, and we actually have a fireplace. We've got television, we've got stereo DVD player in there. And inside the bathroom, a nice shower. And we've got lots and lots of medicine cabinet storage area here. We've got a medicine cabinet there. Got a very useless drawer here. You put stuff in here and it bounces out and ends up in the cabinet below. So we never use that drawer. And then here's some. Here is our linen closet. And we've got a porcelain foot flush toilet. In the bedroom area, we've got some cabinetry up there. We've got some nightstands on that side. We've got a nightstand on this side. And we've got some storage drawers down here. A couple of storage drawers here. Putting clothes and stuff in. We've got a cabinet over here. And we've got a nice big closet. Got that side, and we've got this side. And this side, actually we house our vacuum cleaner in here. And then when we are stopped for a period of time, we usually set this area up as a office space. We've got a desk that we put in here. So that's the tour. Hope you guys enjoyed our home away from home when we're on the road. And we thank you. Please remember to like and subscribe.